Evening all, crafty cockney here. So taking it all apart and started splitting it all up into its sections and giving it its appropriate colour. So this is the section of the St Andrew's flag. So it's just it's had one coat. I'm just giving it a little nibble and I'm going to give it another coat before the end of the day. So tomorrow I can then start either St George's Cross or start the Union flags of Northern Ireland. Start putting the white in and the red. So yeah, this stain is coming up quite nice. It's quite translucent. Goes on quite easy, lays off easy, nice little rub, dries very quickly so I can get back on it, and yeah, I'm quite happy with that. And I reckon by the time I put it all together, then I put the lacquer on it, I just might get the finish I want. But yeah, it's quite a nice blue all the way around. So yeah, made by Protec, they're Bristol blue. I'm happy with the choice. So yeah, I'll get another coat on it all, and it should all be ready for the blue. Will all be ready for tomorrow, and then I can do all the reds and do all the whites. I should get it all painted tomorrow. Hopefully, I can assemble it on Friday, which should be nice, because I know I'm waiting to see what the end result looks like, and I'm sure anyone who's actually been watching, who's a little bit intrigued, will probably want to see as well. So I'll get these painted. And, hopefully, in this heat, I mean, it must be about 28 degrees in here now, at the moment. Drying really quickly, and I need to make sure I brush with the grain so my stroke marks don't show because it's drying so quickly. It's not getting time to flow itself, so I have to. Oh, you're probably saying that's only your flag, but if I take a lot of pride in this, it shows that you take pride in all your work. So yeah, I'll carry on, and I'll let you catch up once I start putting the red on. This is the Crafty Cockney. Subscribe if you like what's happening. Hopefully I'll see you visit my page. You take care. Good evening.